Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align table border in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to align table border. Firstly, go to a blank page. Now we want to make alignment to this border. Firstly, insert a table. Select this table tools and draw a table to these pages. Now we want to align this table border. Select this arrow, and we can see here the moving section. You can move the table. Use this. Select this whole cell, and we can see here the alignment. You can add any text. Now you want to align these table cells. Select this align drop down menu and choose alignment, center, etc. Now we can see we align table cells very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.